Good afternoon everybody. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to set up CSS on our VS Code editor. First thing first, we need to go to the extensions tab and type in live. We need two extensions for CSS. One is live server, which we're going to install, and the second one is live SCSS compiler, which you need to install as well. Alright, after we got those, we can go on our Explorer page, close this, and create our index.html file and create our boilerplate. If this thing loads. As it's loading, we can create another file named style.css. This will be our CSS file. Now, we can create the HTML, and for this to work, for the CSS to actually compile, we need to press F1 and press on live SCSS, watch SCSS. This will create two new files in our resources. One is style.css.map and one is style.css. We're interested in this file because this is the file we are going to link in the head tag. Alright, that's all we have to do. Now every time we type some code in our CSS file, it will go to transfer to this. So if I type body margin 0 padding 0 and hit Ctrl save, you can see that it's changed here as well. Alright, that was everything. Thank you for watching.